Before we get on to drawing, let's see how we navigate around SketchUp. Since it's a 3D drawing software, it'll work a bit differently to graphical drawing programs you may have used before. To move around, you'll need primarily 3 tools. They are Orbit, Pan, and Zoom. For Orbit, just left-click and drag 2 orbits around your model. This changes the angle you look at the object with the camera. The Pan tool, again, left-click and drag to move the camera left and right. For the Zoom tool, much of the same, just drag up and down to physically move the camera in and out. Now going to the toolbar just to change your view every time can be rather tedious. This is why it's a good idea to use a mouse with SketchUp. The 3 tools, Orbit, Pan, and Zoom, are combined in the middle mouse wheel. So to orbit, all you need to do is hold down your scroll wheel and drag to orbit around the center of your screen. If you want to pan, firstly hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then hold down the scroll wheel on your mouse and drag in much the same way you did for orbit. For zoom, simply scroll up to move in and scroll down to move out. The zoom works slightly differently with the mouse in that it moves into where your cursor is rather than into the center of the screen as it was with manually selecting the tool.